Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a little craft organizer for the cheap. So this was $3. I got each of the clear organizers from the Dollar Tree for $1. And obviously you can get some that are a little more expensive and a little bit more durable from Amazon, Home Goods, places like that. And I do have some of those, but I mean, I love having these little cheap ones as well. I also use them for makeup. So you don't actually have to glue them together. You can kind of just stack them on top of one another and call it a day. But I'd adhered mine together, and I typically use some type of adhesive like a Fix-All or E6000 adhesive, but I'm going to be using a glue gun today. So this is my old one that I've been using for I don't know how long, but as you could see, it was kind of jacked up because there was an ink spill, and instead of trying to clean it and whatnot, I decided to just make another one because I did want to make, you know, a little tower. So I am going ahead and getting rid of all of the plastic, and then I am just stacking those two on top of one another. I was going to make it a little taller and use another little drawer, but I decided against it because I may use that one for, I may put it in my craft room and glue it to the bottom of another one of the towers that I've made just to add a little bit more storage. So I have just chosen to flip the bottom drawer upside down, and I am just going around the perimeter with the glue gun, and I'm really trying to get in there in the crevices to make sure that you know, it'll stick together nicely. And again, you really don't even have to glue them together. So when you do it, it doesn't really necessarily have to be too perfect because you really don't have to do it. But I like gluing mine together just for a little bit more durability. Again, these came from the Dollar Tree, so they're not any type of top-notch material, and they're plastic, of course. So there's that. But I just like to adhere them with an adhesive just so they can, just so it's a little bit more durable and a little bit more sturdy. So that is what I am doing currently. I'm adding that last bit of glue to the top, and there are actually different little top organizers that you can get from the Dollar Tree. I just chose to get that one this time because I think I have lipstick in it in my makeup room, you know, the one that's in my makeup, on my makeup vanity, but I wanted to try out this one to see if it would be better for storage. So I haven't figured out what to put in the little small ones just yet. I'll probably end up putting like some type of pins or something like that, I'm sure. But anyways, you guys, that is pretty much it. I am now going through and putting in my tried and true craft supplies, my slicer that I got from the Dollar Tree, scissors, tweezers, some adhesive tape, my tape runner, my tape correction, that kind of stuff, and I'm just filling it up. I do have some gift cards that I sometimes use to cut washi and for measurement purposes, so I'm going to slide those in the first drawer, and then I'm going to go in a minute with a few just little doodads that were kind of hanging around and throw those into the bottom drawer, and some washi tape, of course. And that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.